What AI can help you with in everyday life. AI isn't just for experts. There are many practical ways it can support your daily routine. Here are a few clear examples. Planning your day. AI can help you plan your day by highlighting your main priorities, breaking tasks into smaller steps, and creating a simple outline you can follow. Writing and communicating. AI can also help you write and communicate more clearly. If you're unsure how to phrase something, you can paste your draft and get suggestions that make your message easier to understand. Organizing thoughts. When your thoughts feel scattered, you can type everything out and let AI turn it into organized lists, short summaries, or clear next steps. Learning something new. AI can support learning too. It can explain topics in plain language, break down complex ideas, and answer your questions quickly. Creative ideas. For creativity, AI can help you brainstorm ideas for projects, hobbies, writing, and problem solving. It's useful when you need a starting point or want new possibilities to explore. Small automations. AI can also handle repetitive tasks. It can set reminders, create summaries, and help you build routines that save time throughout the week. You don't have to use all of these. Even one or two can make your day run more smoothly. In future videos, we'll explore each of these areas with practical examples you can try yourself. Thanks for learning with Tea and Tech. Hit subscribe and see you tomorrow.